Another beauty day. I guess this is the first day, official day. Uncle Mitch. We got the snow bikes. We're gonna rip those today. Hopefully get some good power. We got an inch or two so far, so go get that track groomed and see what we can do. How's the old track looking today? Looked pretty hard from the shop, but I'm over here now. She looks a little sugary. All the kids are out there loosening it up a little bit, so we're just getting the snow bikes out. We're gonna rip those soon. So what's going on here today?
Well, we're just getting the snow bikes out so we can get the day started. Should be a good day of testing.
Have you changed anything since last time?
Yeah, we got a lot different suspension set up for you guys to try today. And a few other things. We'll try the rear brake in the stock location today and give that a whirl on the track. Might be the ticket.
Cool.
You're riding this one today?
Riding the old Honda?
Yep.
Give it a roll. This one doesn't have a recluse, does it?
It doesn't.
Oh, we'll go out there and race too. See if I can beat him.
Yeah, should be fun.
He's still stretching.
Fire your shit up.
Fire it up! Gonna go groom that track. Getting that snow pushed.
Pushing some snow.
Trying to get rid of some of the ice.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's not very smooth in here.
What can we do? We have a track.
So, how is it build your own jumps and kind of do whatever you want?
I wish I could do that though.
Just build massive jumps that the kids can't hit, only you.
I would like to do that. But
Well, it is a public track, so
yeah.
you kind of got to make it for the public.
Yeah.
Or else we would call it Stall's track.
It would be look different, that's for sure.
They just have a bunch of Widowmaker jumps on it. Woo! So everyone's wondering why the snow is so brown. You gotta speak up because it's loud in here.
So this track is basically made on a motocross track, and when we figure out, or when we decided to buy snow guns, or when Glenn figured out or decided to buy snow guns this year, we needed to dig or dig a pond. So we did, but so the pond is so fresh. So I think it is just the water that is so dirty. So it's a lot of sand in the water.
Ah, okay. And the water's kind of orange, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's so dirty.
Yeah. So there's a lot of dirt and sand from underneath, and from the lake, or the pond, I guess.
So yeah.
We could probably jump that double in this thing, huh?
Yeah, like I always.
Catch some air in the groomer.
Okay, we can try. But
Throw the seatbelt on.
Do not think Sean or Glenn will be too happy. And I don't have my kidney belt on, so I don't do jumps without a kidney belt.
How's your day going, Justin?
Well, when you got a tough day, you're gonna have a tough duck.
A tough kitty cat.
Well,
At least you won't hit me. Hi, Viz. We're breaking them in. We're trying to dial in the suspension.
Good ratio.
Nate's a little hard on them, so.
Gotta test them out.
You know, that's what you gotta do, right? So we got the track fresh groomed. Got the kitty cats out. Someone lost a big chunk of aluminum.
That's pretty hard.
Let's get these things tuned up and yeah, Saturday.
Something about Saturdays.
It's Friday, getting down on Friday.
Pretty much.
That's all I know.
That's all we know.
Can you sing for us?
No.
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 Not even like a lullaby or you say poem?
Here I sit so broken hearted.
No, don't say it. Then I gotta edit it out and beep stuff, and it's too much work. Wouldn't even let you start. It's getting breezy out here. Holy. Alright, let's go inside.
You didn't hold it wide open?
I think that was pretty close to wide open.
No, yeah, I was wide open for the first one.
Yeah.
But you have so much speed, so you just basically land up. But if you like have to go for it, you will hold it longer.
What you working on now?
Well, just doing a few modifications. Set things up for Stu.
He's so tall. Pull the bars back so he's
Yeah, bars
not
back a bit.
pointing towards the sky.
Move forks down a little for him. Try to get the geometry set up.
He should be able to beat us now.
I think so, for sure. 100%.
Yes,
monkey.
ripping. You
His
should be,
leg
out,
was
you
like,
should be out there on that.
It's pretty good.
I want to see that knee dragging again. That was aggressive.
Scraping.
Just sliding sideways.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might have to go throw my boots on.
It's time.
It was a one lap
Well, we're getting late in the day here.
Whoa! That's alright.
I don't know what the Norwegians do.
There's no people
Who's
out
in your
here.
personal space?
He's always in the bubble.
My bubble.
Seems to get in everyone's personal bubble.
I can add to this.
Oh, kids. Justin, Rockstar. Any good, some tofos? Photos?
See what
I don't know
happens.
if you call them
I
good.
can't really see through it. It's just full of water. So I just
I think I
kind of.
photobombed you there once.
Oh, probably.
Taking a photo that way, and I was like,
Trying to get
In
in.
the corner.
Gotta do it. Someone's gotta do it.
You know, if you're going to do it, you got to do it.
Yeah.
You just gotta, yeah.
Yeah.
commit to it.
Another day. Getting cold.
It's a little frosty.
Well, I want to see those doubles. Like the little 80 dirt bikes. Maybe send in it. Good. Gooda. There's nothing sketchy about that one.
No,
It's perfectly smooth.
the track's so meant.
Yeah, it looks fun. Hey, Mitch.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, you guys.
It's sketchy with you guys out there. I'm scared I'm gonna get hit because I'm sketchy, so I know I'm gonna get right in the way. No, you're good.
Just hold your line.
Yeah, try.
Usually you can hear them coming.
Oh yeah.
You hear this thing bog?
Yours did.
Yeah, that was weird.
Here, this one? No. It's so bad over there.
I must have got some snow in there because it cleared up.
Cause the water up. They're dead for -20 though.
Yeah, I know.
So that's why.
That's why, yeah. What were you doing over there?
More for you and me.
You're doubling in.
What's that?
He was doubling in.
Oh yeah.
Were you going single double? He
Yeah.
was doubling in.
And then you were probably going on the inside? Or are you going
I did both. I tried everything now.
We're running the track backwards now. Always makes for interesting video. Hey, Justin. She's snowing. All right, let's end this.
Made it.